Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of an average programmer. Today I want to talk about a LinkedIn post that I saw like 10 minutes ago. It is by Chungin Lee, and he mentions this technology that is called Interview Coder, which is basically a tool that helps you to pass these leetcode type interviews, which are really common in FANG and in other companies such as TikTok and Capital One and other popular enterprises. And let me start by saying that it's amazing how he was able to create this application in 10 days. And I have never created a full application in my life. So it's amazing to see that someone is able to do it in 10 days, and he's 21. So if he was able to do this, it means that he has some good coding abilities. So those are the skills that should be evaluated when you are applying to a job. But no, I agree that currently the interviews or the filters or these phases are not a way to show your potential as a software engineer. There are a lot of things that should be considered, like your communication, your soft skills, and how you're able to approach problems. How do you handle tight deadlines, or how are you able to identify which technology fits the best to each project? And yeah, I think that there's still some work to do in terms of recruitment processes. But I do believe that there are some legal problems that help you to practice the foundations of software engineering, specifically the easy ones. Maybe the medium and hard ones are not that useful in your day-to-day work, but still I think that some easy problems are really useful in terms of you need to perfectly know how to create a for loop, or you need to identify real quick the time complexity of your algorithm, or in which scenarios it is more useful to have a immutable variable, or maybe we can create an enum for the different types of, or for the categories of a specific part of a problem. I mean, there are some things that are crucial to software engineering, just for programming. Let's just say for programming, and I think the problem comes when there is people that are applying to jobs and they do not anything about programming, and a quick way to just discard these people is just with this type of problems. And yeah, but I do not agree with the objective of the application. I think if you're only repeating the words of an AI, you're losing your essence, and I think it is considered as cheating, obviously. And I think that there are flaws in the recruitment processes of these companies. But I mean, if you don't like legal problems, you can apply to other companies, because I've been able to make a lot of interviews, and there are a lot of companies that are really good and that they have good benefits and good salaries, and they do not require you to make some legal problems. You just show your previous projects, your portfolio, and some basic questions, and that's all. So I mean, if you want to go into a different direction, there are options. So yeah, that is kind of my opinion on this. I do not agree with the objective of the application. I think that it could be used to study, and it could be used to show you different algorithms or different solutions, and you can study them separately. But I don't think that it is ethic to use the tool in your interviews. So yeah, that is kind of my opinion, and I wanted to just share this. So thank you, and see you in another video. Bye.